Miss Smith. This is my Compsci project for bias and AI. Wait, that's the wrong slide. Okay, this is our presentation. Sorry, I don't have my computer. It's at school. Hi, Miss Smith. This is my Compsci project. I guess you know that, but anyways, this is the slideshow. Should I? Okay, so basically, AI and social media can be used for both bad and good. So an example of, AI being bad would be generating false images of people and having that posted and having that circulate everywhere online. An example of this would be there were false images of Taylor Swift that were made with AI and they were posted, and that was bad, obviously. An example of good would be like algorithms that would give you recommendations on social media, such as Spotify, what kind of music they want to recommend you, or on YouTube, like what video is recommended to you. They're also used for like chatbots, such as Snapchat AI. What exactly is AI bias? AI bias is the idea that the machine learning algorithms can be biased when carrying out their programmed tasks. The outputs that it produces may be harmful to groups based off of their race or gender or sexuality or whatever. AI is biased because of machine learning. So basically we feed the data to AIs. So if the data that we feed to the AIs is biased, then the AIs will inevitably be biased as well. Some examples of bias in AI is an AI producing an output that consists of stereotypes / perceived notions about a particular demographic. For example, BuzzFeed released an article and it was like Barbies around the world, and they generated Barbies around the world using an AI. And the AI basically turned the German Barbie into a neo-Nazi, and it also had harmful stereotypes about South African people, or African people, I guess, in general. Another example of bias in AI is an AI producing an output that is discriminatory / unfair to a particular individual or group based off of their race. An example of this would be the Twitter cropping algorithm, in which Black people were continuously cropped out and white people were cropped in. Yeah. Okay. This is the graph. As you can see, most people responded rarely when asked how often they use AI. Okay, so 57.2% of the people who responded to our survey either said that they rarely or never used AI, but according to Authority Hacker, this number should be closer to about 25%. This is most likely because when people are thinking about AI, they usually think chatbots such as ChatGPT or Snapchat AI. However, AI includes so much more than just chatbots, and some examples of that are voice assistants such as Siri, Alexa, or Google Home, and things like that. Recommendations on social media, such as Spotify playlists or music recommendations, and YouTube recommendations on what to watch next, and people to follow on Instagram. And also, this is an uncommon one, but email services marking an unregistered email as spam. That's also use of an AI. And most people don't recognize this, so they would assume that they don't usually use AI. A solution to bias in AI would be to first educate people on AI. So they need to, before we start unbiasing AI, we need to understand like what exactly qualifies as AI and how they might be biased. And yeah.